Hello, my name is Kaitlyn Nussberger, and I'd like to share with you a little bit about my experience here at the University of Florida in the summer 2022 SURF program. I am a rising senior at the University of North Texas in the Biomedical Engineering Department, currently getting minors in mathematics, biology, chemistry, and English. This summer, I worked with Dr. Allen and his postdoc, Dr. Patterson, in the OrthoBME lab, where I studied ways to model osteoarthritis in vitro. The purpose of this research is to improve our understanding of the progression and pathology of the disease, which could uncover new therapeutic avenues. I worked on two aims over the course of the summer. I spent the first half looking at how cartilage cells, called chondrocytes, respond to inflammatory stimulus, and the second half of the program working on a 3D cell culture model that replicates in vitro conditions. For my first aim, I focused primarily on conducting cellular assays that examined things like metabolism, proliferation, and cell death in response to an important inflammatory cytokine in osteoarthritis, interleukin-1 beta. I have the results of some of these experiments here on the slide, and you can see that groups treated with interleukin-1 beta reported lower proliferation, but low amounts of cell death compared to the control, which is what we would expect from chondrocytes in early OA. My second aim was based primarily on research conducted by an OrthoBME collaborator, Dr. Ron June. I worked on modifying his lab's alginate and agarose encapsulation system for the Allen lab and used PCR to study different alginate conditions. Due to power limitations based on the size of the study, no significant difference was observed between any of the groups. But there does appear to be, if you look at the graphs in the top right-hand corner, a significant upregulation of both TNF and interleukin-1 beta, two inflammatory cytokines, when the beads are lysed prior to agarose encapsulation. Finally, I would just like to take this time to acknowledge the University of Florida for hosting this program. I really appreciate being able to come here. I also want to acknowledge Dr. Allen, the OrthoBME lab, and the Sharma lab, one of our biggest collaborators. Everybody here was so kind to me. And I have to mention as well, my friends and family, including my roommates here. Everyone in Florida has been so kind and welcoming and really contributed to making the program one of the best decisions of my life. I really enjoyed my summer here, and I would recommend coming to any other students.